Block design is an activity that a lot of children enjoy, so it's often one of the most fun skills to build while working for this subtest of the ERB. When you first begin practicing, let the child just play with the blocks and get familiar with seeing them and flipping them and spinning them in their own hands. So after your child is familiar with the feel of the blocks and playing with them on their own, you want to start by using 2 single-colored blocks and create something for them to replicate. For example, a simple design like this. They'll be focused on only one 2-dimensional face of the block, even though they're working with a 3-dimensional cube. Then what you can do is switch off and on like a game and have the child pretend to be the teacher and set one up for you to replicate. While going through, you can talk about what you're doing. Where is it in relation to the other blocks? When your child hears you verbalize what you're doing, it helps encourage them to do the same, and then you hear them working through the process. You want to start with just using 2 blocks and have your child be very comfortable with that before you move to 4 blocks. You want to continue using only the solid color blocks until you can build their confidence. And then you can move on to 4 blocks and eventually to working off the stimuli. Again, beginning quite simply and eventually working towards more advanced forms. As your child begins working with the blocks, give them plenty of verbal encouragement. A lot of children who aren't very familiar with using their hands, you want to use the blocks on a daily basis and work with them also with games like Silly Putty, Pick-Up Sticks, Legos, and help them get familiar with building and working with their spatial skills. Working with their hands in this way is also going to help with the fine motor skills necessary for a solid pencil grip, which will eventually help with symbol replication and coding. For further practice with block design and to see the full range of eco-friendly wooden blocks we have along with the guides, please just go to our website at brightkidsnyc.com and visit the Our Books section. If you're interested in having your child work with me or any of the other tutors here at Bright Kids, please give the office a call.